Do you have hair loss and thinning hair problem like me? Recently, I came across this viral.
Grow your hair back in 30 days. Ancient secrets revealed. The secret ingredient that Big Pharma doesn't want you to know about. Sound familiar? Are all these social hype really going to work for you? Stay tuned in this video to find out more. Let's dive deeper into these deceptive terms and find out why you're so drawn to them and why they should send alarm bells ringing.
To anyone struggling with hair loss, you're not alone. Get instant results with K-Line.
This is a classic bait and switch tactic. There are no instant results with hair loss. This is preying on people who want to get quick fixes and impatient to get results. But true hair restoration is a complex biological process and takes time for it to develop. And it usually deploys a combination of different treatments to achieve the desired outcome.
Do you have hair loss and thinning hair problem like me? Recently, I came across this viral TikTok product.
So this tactic preys on people's distrust of large institutions like so-called Big Pharma. And well, it's not completely unfounded, but do understand that Big Pharma is actually very well regulated in most places. You have the US FDA, the KFDA, and in Singapore, the HSA, that regulating products that are actually pushed out to market with good scientific backing, with rigorous clinical testing and trials. Right? Some of these smaller companies are actually trying to push out a product that's not been tested and using social media as a means to push their sales and push their product out. And you probably end up with quite a disappointing result.
It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I miss.
So this tactic actually uses the urge of scarcity to lure patients or clients in with limited sets left or limited package left, act now, limited sale time. And this drives on people's impulses to want to fix a problem that they have urgently. And this usually targets the younger group of people who do purchase things impulsively over social media. My advice is to do your research thoroughly. Never act on impulse when it comes to hair loss treatments. Consult multiple medical professionals if you have to before committing to a plan of treatment. So this scam, or so-called scam, is preying on the word guaranteed results. Now, we all know that there's no guarantee when it comes to medical treatments or even surgical treatments. Hair loss is a very complicated biological process, and the recovery from hair loss is going to be equally as complicated and might involve assaying some blood tests, thinking about whether or not there are hormonal or nutritional factors, and solving all of these problems before you're going to get a satisfactory outcome. So unfortunately, if you do fall for these kind of advertisements and you do end up purchasing one of these products, what could be the undesirable outcomes, right? So firstly, it just could be wasted time and money spending 6 months doing a treatment that has no benefit for you at all. It could actually lead to harm. So some products contain certain toxins or chemicals that can be irritants or damaging your hair follicles. And the very common one that you'll find are alcohols or parabens or fragrances. And lastly, false hope and disappointment. Like, it gives you guaranteed results like we saw in the last one, but you don't get any hint of any improving hair, and you just see your hair loss condition deteriorating away with the months. While social media is a double-edged sword, you can see that there are a lot of scammy type viral videos going around but you can also find very legitimate and credible information out there. And how do you search out these channels or these content creators is to probably look up clinics or look up doctors who are listed on the ISHRS portal as members of the International Society of Hair Restoration Surgeons, or you can go to the ABHRS website, the American Board for Hair Restoration Surgery, and they list a panel of their doctors that have been certified by them as well. And these are legitimate hair restoration professionals and practice in an ethical manner. Remember, after all, hair loss is a medical condition that has many different diagnoses, and it's not just a cosmetic issue. So consult a medical professional when it comes to dealing with your hair loss. And your medical professional who is experienced in hair restoration procedures will take you on this journey of hair loss recovery. Thank you for watching this episode of Hair Talks by Paramedical. I hope to see you again soon. If you like this content, do give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more hair loss and hair restoration related content, and leave any questions you have in the comment section below.